Hello friends, and welcome back to another nail art video. Since my nails are short and broken, I decided to create this very easy water marble nail art design. And for this I have used just one single nail art decal, and this is almost kind of like a design without any tools. So for this I have taken a container having tap water at room temperature, and I used this pink and light blue colored polish to create the design. So as you can see, I am alternating the colors, and just in case your polish does not spread, tap the container and that should do the trick. And if you are still having difficulties, then try this design out using fresh polishes. After the bullseye was done, I used a needle to create the pattern as shown. And after every few swipes, I was cleaning the tip of the needle so that I could get a clear line. And then I made a few abstract patterns because I'll be using parts of this decal. So just some more swirls here and there, and once the design was done, I left it out to dry off so that the decal hardened up. So after leaving it for a couple of hours, I removed it from the water, and you have to be really careful. You do not want it just turning over itself and sticking together. So carefully remove the decal, and I placed it on a tissue paper to remove off the excess water which might be there. And I had already applied one layer of nail polish, and you can apply 1 to 2 layers of the nail polish. I used the same pink and blue colors on my nails. And once the polish is applied, when it is a little bit tacky, you can simply trim off the decal to your nail size, or roughly trim out the part of the design which you like, and you can place it on the nail. And then all you need to do is cut off the excess all around, and then use a nail polish remover and a cleaner brush to melt out the excess decal from all around, and also tap the tip of the nail so that the decal gets stuck properly. And I'm going to use the same technique, but if the nail polish has dried off, you can always use a little bit of top coat and then stick on the decal. And then in the same manner, you have to trim it off and then melt off the excess from all around. And I used the same decal for all my nails, and you can use it either on the whole of the nail, or you can use it diagonally, partially, any way you want to create the design of your choice. Like over here, I am using it diagonally, and on my little finger I used the full decal because it was too small. So once the cleanup is done and the decal has stuck, to make sure that it sticks properly, all you need to do is take a top coat and then give it a layer of top coat. And while doing the top coating, you should remember to cap off the edge of the nail because the decal might come off from there. So in this manner, I top coated all the nails, and it also gives a nice shine to the design. And this one is my ring finger nail. And this is the thumb design. So in this manner, you can create this very easy water marble nail art designs on your very short nails also. I hope you liked this very easy nail art tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.